The Sukhoi Su-30MK is a multi-purpose fighter aircraft, which is a modification of the Su-30, which has been mass-produced since 1999, which is broadly comparable to the American F-15E. Designed by the Sukhoi Moscow Design Bureau and manufactured by Irkut Corporation. The fighter is designed to gain air superiority through the ability to destroy manned and unmanned aircraft by guided missiles in medium-range engagements and dogfights. In addition, fighter aircraft can be operated to carry out aerial reconnaissance and training to operate aircraft and launch weapons. The aircraft is equipped with similar avionics and thrust vectoring to the Su-37 for superior combat agility and maneuverability. The aircraft is armed with precision anti-surface missiles and has a launch range of 120 kilometers. The Su-30MK, like the Su-30, can attack two air targets simultaneously. The aircraft can be armed with up to 6 medium-range air-to-air missiles, such as the RT-7RE Alamo-C, RT-7T Alamo-D, or Vimpel or VV-A. Suitable alternative air-to-air missiles are 2A1OD Alamo medium-range infrared homing missiles and 6 Vimpel R7-3 infrared homing missiles. For anti-surface ship missions, the aircraft is armed with one Raduga 3M8 Moskow supersonic anti-ship missile. In October 2020, the BrahMos missile was successfully tested using an Indian Su-30MK aircraft.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.